Hey guys, welcome. I do a little something a little new. Besides breaking today, I'm gonna try something new called Flex Friday. I'm gonna do a little flex in here. I don't know if you can see what's sitting there on this beautiful display board that I have here, but I want to share some of the things that I'm either going to be putting on my website or eBay store, DodgeZen.com. And you can find me at DodgeZen on eBay. But also some of the stuff that just came in, some of my hits, some of the things that I've bought. And I want to share them because they're too cool to hide away. And eventually they'll probably all be for sale. So I want to show this first. Isn't that beautiful thing? Signed Invincible. Isn't that nice? Beautiful. Beautiful. Isn't that wicked? Isn't that wicked? Look at that. Such a wicked piece. I got two different ones up there. Vinci number 1. Here's something for the sports guys, a 1 of 1. I have this on the website and my eBay store. Juju Smith-Schuster 1 of 1 NFL tag. Is that epic or what? Rookie. Colossal signature. So on card, NFL tag, 1 of 1, rookie. Juju Smith-Schuster. Crazy. Somebody that is a fan of him, that is pinnacle of cards. And here's an OG. I love my OGs. Here's a bookend, 10 out of 10, Oscar Robertson. Look at that. Diamond Optimum. Look at that. What a beautiful card. Got an actual real diamond in it. Crazy. 10 of 10. That's also on my website and eBay store. Beautiful piece. Now let's switch some gears. We're going to keep the heat going. I don't know if you guys have seen the issue 1. There's an issue 1. 8 of 99. Invincible. Issue 1. And here's a sick hit. Here's a gem. Invincible. I don't know if you've seen the gems. I also have the clear. Super thick card. The gem in it. That's cool. And here's the top hit, if not 1 of 2, besides the issue 1. Here is the beloved 4D. And probably nowhere else you'll see 2 at once. Look at that card. Major hit. I've seen it for $10,000. Look at that card. Crazy hit. That's really crazy. It's hard to see the 3-4D effect, but it's there. It's like you can reach out and grab it. It's like it's coming at you. It's epic. Beautiful card. There's 2 of them right there. It's not ending. We're not done yet. For all you history buffs, you might love this. Here's a Louis. Look at that. Let's say fixtures belong to or made and yield Watch this. Bang. One of one. King Louis. That epic. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful card. For all you history buffs. The pinnacle of hitting. And switching up gears. Look at this. Signed Bob Marley. Guitar relic. Signature. Dual signature. I think one's laser. Is that not beautiful or what? And look at, boom. One of one. Crazy, crazy, crazy Flex Friday. Crazy Flex Friday. Originally I thought it was a guitar pick, but I think it's the, what you call that on the guitar, the protection plate there. I think that's the piece. That's too big for a guitar pick. Isn't that crazy? And boom, look at that. Maybe one day that'll be on. But I hope you enjoyed seeing those. You don't see stuff like that too often. And I'm happy to share it. So on that note, let's rip something. How about a favorite of mine? Keepsake One Relic. Feels like a bigger one. Yeah, it feels like a bigger one. Let's rip it. See what we get. These are always fun. You never know what you're going to hit. I hope you enjoyed all those different cards. Higher end cards. 4-figure cards. Jimi Hendrix. A Jimmy. There we go. A Jimmy out of 15. Yeah, the red. Look at that. That's a sick card. Look like a candy cane. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful card. Wow. That's crazy. Nice card. Out of 15. 8 out of 15. Nice. Very, very cool. Alright. Now, what else for Flex Friday? What else can we do? What can we flex? Let's see. What are you thinking? Then do a 101? You know what? It's flexing. It probably should be selling these, but it's the premiere of Flex Friday, so let's really flex. Let's start with a 1 of 1, and then I got something really special that I probably should hang on to and sell, but it's Flex Friday. So Juju Watkins, 1 of 1. Now that's a flex. I just showed you a Juju right here. Just showed you a Juju Smith Schuster, and now I'm showing you a Juju Watkins 1 of 1. Boom. Blacklist. Nice. Nice. Very cool. Very cool coincidence. Alright guys, let's wrap this up. We're gonna wrap it up with a nuker. For all you Invincible fans, you know what the gold box is. You all know what the gold box is. You know what it is. 1 of 10. Hand numbered. Let's go. Flex Friday. We're flexing today. We be flexing. You're not going to see this stuff anywhere but here. Not in this amount. Not at will. No way. And you can see more of it on my website, DodgeZen, my eBay. And here we go. The Premier Gold Box Flex Friday. DodgeZen. Flexing. Fun stuff. Hope everybody had a great holiday. Here we go. 3 out of 10. Adam Eve. Adam Eve. 3 out of 10. Bang. Oh my. Look at that. That is wicked. Look at that. 3 out of 10. That is wicked. Nice. Very cool. Very cool card. Adam Eve, 3 out of 10. Nice flex. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the premiere of Flex Friday. A little bit of ripping, a little bit of flexing, some one-of-ones, some bookends, some gold. And appreciate you stopping by and checking out some crazy hits and some crazy product. Until we meet again, thrive.